guys, welcome back to Flying Healthy Bees. Today we are diving into a delicious mutton curry recipe that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. Let's get started. So Dada, what is the ingredients which are needed?
All the ingredients that is required here, I'm not going to say one by one. I have mentioned that in the description. So all our guests and all our viewers are kindly requested to check the description box for the detailed ingredients. So let's begin.
So what are we supposed to do?
Okay, in a large pot, add the mutton and enough water to cover it.
Okay.
Now add in the ginger garlic paste and a sprinkle of turmeric powder and bring it to boil. So once it's boiling,
Add salt.
and let it simmer until the mutton is cooked thoroughly.
So this might take some while, so be patient.
Yes, of course, all should be patient. Now while the mutton is cooking, let's prepare the spice mix.
In another vessel, heat up some coconut oil.
Then add some mustard seeds and the jeera and let them splatter. Now toss in some curry leaves for that aromatic flavor. Next is
Ginger garlic.
add ginger garlic paste, shallots, onions and green chilies.
Saute until they are golden brown.
Now mix everything together, and once the mutton is ready, I think the mutton is ready, right?
Yeah,
Add it to our spice mixture and mix it well for a few minutes. And now it's time to add some chopped.
tomato.
Okay, add some chopped tomatoes.
Actually,
Mix.
not potatoes, it's tomato.
Oh, sorry, tomatoes, and mix it until the tomatoes are softened and blended into curry. Okay, now it's time to add our homemade masalas. That is coriander powder, Kashmiri chili powder, a dash of black pepper. Okay, and mix it all together, and then add the water that we have set aside for boiling the mutton, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it's also called as mutton stew. Okay, and then sprinkle in some garam masala powder and let it boil once again. And finally, now we are going to add some coriander leaves and curry leaves, and also sprinkle some black pepper on top. And there you have it. Mutton curry is ready to be served. Enjoy this delicious curry with some hot rice, and we are going to have it with some tapioca also. So trust me, it's a match made in
Heaven.
okay. So guys, thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious recipes and share it with your friends.